Good afternoon. It is March the 6th, 2017, and we'll start off with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations, and like an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came into the E-mini today with a 79.81 sell, and we said 77 might be it. Well, off the opening, you were selling 72.50s, and again, the market is just very, very, very slow. 1 to 2 points off of this trade. Nothing here. A retest failure. Got you 3 to 4. Nothing on it. This trade would have been a loser. Then the trades start to kick in, and it took us back up to 76.75, which was almost 10 points off the low, which was right here. So this 10-point trading range is something that we just have to, on most days, that's about what we're going to get, and we just have to accept that and get on down the road. Don't have a lot of volatility in the E-mini, and everybody wants to be an E-mini player. Everybody thinks it's the contract to be in. There are easier contracts to make money in than the E-mini. On the F1 screen, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. The F2 screen, 2 distributions, new distribution up, started in G periods, so market can still sell as long as we stay below 81, but again, off the top, we're 30 points plus, kind of notching down, not a lot going on. So right now, we do have international trade tomorrow, minus 48B. No one will pay any attention to it. So 79.81 sell 1, 84.86 sell 2. On the buy side, came out of the 68 area, so 70.72 buy 1, and our 65.67, which is where we were this morning, is buy 2, and we're going to put a question mark at 74. If we break out to new highs here in the last hour trading, say get up to 23.80, we'll just move everything up, roll it up a nickel. Tomorrow's a 3-year auction for treasuries. It's usually a pretty good one. We'd like to buy into weakness tomorrow. Had some pretty good selling off the top right here. Higher low, higher high. We could find a place to buy it on F1. We're not going to get the same picture on F2. Definitely a B. So because of the 3-year auction, I've got a B right here. I'm going to put 13 to 17 buy 1, 5 to 9 buy 2. On the sell side, 23.27 sell 1, 31 to 03 sell 2. We give it a little room to the upside because of the 3-year auction. Obviously, we've got to get through 20, so resistance starts at 20. Looking at the ZB. '04 to '08's number 1. Selling 11s to 15s, picking up this area right here. Sell 1. 19 to 23, sell 2. On the buy side, 24.28, number 1. 17 to 21, buy 1. And then 5 to 9, buy 2. Market hasn't seen a lot of news that shook things up. The new immigration restrictions were expected. Iraq is off the list, and green card holders can come into the country from any country. And looking at gold, higher low, higher high. The F2 screen's not gonna, it's gonna show a B, so with a weak close. So here we are. So 23.25. Let them get stops below 25. Buy 1. 19 to 21. Buy 2. Had a good day again in gold. It's got extra volatility. We had a $10 range today, and that makes a big difference. 29 to 31. Sell 1. This morning we wanted to sell 34s to 36s. That worked out well for us. Crude oil. When it was all said and done, I think we either had 4 or 5 trades. I don't remember what without putting the piece of paper in front of me. On a 2 lot, we ended up with 65. On a 1 lot, you would have ended up with 30. Just taking a dime on each of them. We did have a scratch. Could have made 6 cents on it if I were perfect, but everybody knows I'm not perfect. Higher low, higher high on crude. Don't even have to talk to my friends to come to that conclusion. You can just watch us trade. Okay, again, we have a B, and we have a lot of B's up here. I mean, we have a B right here. That was definitely a B. Put those two distributions together, a B. Volume-wise, this is leaning B, and this is a B. So we're at 21 right now. I'm not too sure we can get up to 50, but 53.50, 53.75, sell 1. 54, 54 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 52.75, 53, buy 1. And then 52 and a quarter, 52.50, buy 2. Very, very tight ranges. Actually, we're really to pull the kind of money out of it, a 50 tick range, to pull 30 ticks out of it, 60% of the day's range. That's pretty good trading. And why are we able to do that? We just work the methodology. The methodology does produces more, faster, in more volatile conditions. But I mean, right now we're looking at 50 cents, 50 ticks for the day session. And that's not a lot to work with. Gold is trading better for us. And last but not least, the euro. Higher low, higher high, F1 you can buy it. We're going to be looking at pretty solid B on F2. Had a 106.10 sell today. The high was 106.10. We had a 75 buy. Just barely missed getting there. So we caught both edges of the market pretty well. 105.90, 106, sell 1. 106.25, sell 2. On the buy side, I think we do a little better, but 105.75 is support, buy 1. 105.50, buy 2. I'm not too sure all these bad stories and on Trump and all his woes are going to have the impact that they've had. I mean, you never know. It's obvious that the political and governmental machinery is lined up against him, but I don't think they'll be able to touch him. And all this fabricated fake news stuff probably might be diminishing. Maybe people are getting tired of it. I would hope so. Anyway, with that said, I will see you all bright and early in the morning. We had a good day of trading again, and we'll look to shake that money tree one more time tomorrow morning. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.